In all seriousness, I have a present for Victoria.
Amen.
This is just a little bit of our appreciation of the standard that she's had in her life. And,
By the way, I wrapped that.
yes, he did. He wrapped in one box, I wrapped the others.
Thank you.
Yeah, let's not take our time.
It's a box of thank you cards.
There's so many boxes. I don't like to do
Zachary.
Hush, son. After that, I want to be a part of having a little surprise.
You're taking too long.
No.
She wants you to work for this appreciation gift.
A box of crayons.
Crayons?
I think it's a box of dental floss.
Yes, it is. It's pretty too.
And the surprise is Becca does have a car because you now have old Toyota. She thought she was keeping a surprise from you. I said, keep it on the
She
down.
kept that secret.
It's very pretty.
So both of you got a card now.
Right.